England all over the place. Podolski, great stuff from Germany, 2-0. Magnificent football.
We're here today at Hard Rock Stadium to conduct a tabletop exercise for FIFA Club World Cup 2025. This is where we, along many other agencies, we prepare so that we know that we are ready to make sure that the events that are upcoming are going to be safe. We test ourselves, we see our response, we see how we work with each other. And we do these things to make sure that our community knows that we're prepared. We do these years in advance, and we're doing them now, not only for what's coming up this summer, but also for next year for World Cup in 2026.
I just really want to say that each and every one of you, thank you for being a great partner. Second, thank you for showing up. I know that the work didn't start here today. It's been going on for a long time.
We'll get our briefings from NWS and also from BEM. We'll mimic BEM's hours and also have a personnel from command sit at the DOC.
Excellent. That's great input as well. Thank you.
I want everyone to know that when you come to enjoy the major events right here at Hard Rock Stadium, Miami-Dade County, the Sheriff's Office is here to ensure you that you will have a very safe and secure event.